How to share Netflix account with friends. So all you have to do is just go to your Netflix. Now once you are in this Netflix, you can see that I have my own account and my friend's account, but we share the same, so she can log into my account because she knows what my password is. But if you want to share your password, this is where you get it. Just click this pencil and just click this. And once you see here, you could adjust the settings you want and just adjust your pin profile and just share it with your friends, and your friends would care or can log in with this account or profile, and just add your profile here if you want another account. But before that, you should share your original account password and username or email address, and that's it.